Hi, I'm Jamie Purcell, and I'm here for you today to demonstrate the Great Basin products, specifically our enteric products, how these products work and what our sample flow works like. So this specific workflow applies to two commercial products, the Shigatoxin direct test and the stool bacteria pathogen panel. For both of these tests, the sample type is an enteric specimen, so stool, preserved stool specifically, and they require a sample processing device. So I'll walk you through how our sample processing device works. All of our stool tests come in a kit that includes 10 test cartridges and 10 SPDs packaged together. So it's a total of 10 runs per kit. So the first thing a user will do is obtain the sample prep device. This is a simple tear mylar, and it contains 3 items: the sample processing device, the elution tube, and a fixed volume sample pipette. There's also the Great Basin test cartridge. So the first step in this process is to take the stool specimen and transfer, using this fixed volume pipette, 250 microliters of specimen into the sample processing device. The device is then capped, and there's a brake cap in the top, and you just snap this valve and that releases the extraction buffer, which then rehydrates control sample that's contained on these frits, and it also filters the sample. You then just simply squeeze to move the specimen through the sample processing, and then the tip of the SPD contains a dropper tip. So then you elute by simply squeezing into the provided elution tube, and then discard of the SPD. Once you have your processed sample, you simply load the cartridge using a fixed volume pipette that we provide at install. For the first time a customer buys a kit, they receive a pipette. And again, it's fixed volume, 250 microliters directly into the sample port, and elute. Once the card is loaded, you close the cartridge, audible snap, and then your card is ready to load. So we'll come over to the instrument, and again, using the touch screen, you'll enter the specimen ID, and then using the scanner, you either scan the barcode on the cartridge, or you can manually enter these numbers, and then you're going to select the test type, which in this case is stool bacteria pathogen panel. Click continue, and then you visually confirm the specimen type, the cartridge, the test, and the lot number, and then push start test.